Green infrastructure, clean energy, and sustainable operations are necessary for transitioning to a net zero future. The utility sector is no different. Electric utilities are moving toward green energy sources for power generation in the wake of growing climate concerns, stringent government regulations, and shifting consumer preferences. But this change of gear leads to new challenges for power utilities, such as lack of smart grid infrastructure, increased complexity in monitoring and maintenance of renewable energy sources, complex billing process due to the bi-directional flow of energy, inaccuracy in power demand prediction, poor customer experience, high O&M costs. At Tech Mahindra, we are uniquely positioned to integrate sustainable solutions into utility businesses, helping power utilities move past renewable power generation challenges. iRenewables, powered by Tech Mahindra's i.Sustain framework and UtilityRISE on S/4HANA, is a one-stop solution for power utilities to simplify renewable energy infrastructure operations. From asset monitoring and maintenance to billing management and sustainability reporting, power utilities can manage everything from one place for improved asset performance, operational agility, and customer experience. That's not all. With iRenewables, utilities can track real-time performance of green energy sources like on-grid rooftop solar systems, identify and fix system issues timely based on real-time alerts, perform predictive asset repair and maintenance, forecast the power demand based on historical usage data, ensure better power procurement planning and enable load balancing, maintain transparency during ESG reporting with real-time reports, ensure real-time bill settlement at the closure of every billing period. Excited already? Well, there's more. iRenewables brings greater value for the utilities with 54% reduction in annual electricity expenses, 35% reduction in power utilities O&M time, 18% decrease in annual electricity consumption, fast integration, on-premise and cloud. Accelerate your sustainability efforts today for a safer, renewable-based tomorrow.